Welcome back to Boxwood Avenue. My name is Chloe. Today I'm going to share with you my favorite cleaning products. I'm joining a couple of my really good friends, and I hope that when you're done watching this video, you'll go check out their videos. We've put together a playlist, so I'll put that link in the description below. You can just click the playlist and check out all of the videos. I'm joining my friend Julie from julieblander.com. I've done a couple collaborations with her, and you guys know I love her. She's one of my really good friends, and her home is spectacularly clean. It's always organized, and she just makes it look so effortless. If you haven't checked out her YouTube or her blog, you gotta go check it out. She's got amazing recipes too. Laura from Our Oily House is also sharing a video today, and I'm super excited because she has so many great ideas for using essential oils to keep your home clean. Tammy from Tidbits is also sharing a video today. She just moved into her new home. They just built it, and it is so beautiful. All of her little special touches and all of the colors that she's used are fabulous. You gotta go check it out. And I hope that you will enjoy her video and subscribe to her channel. This is my first collaboration with her, so I'm excited to introduce you guys to her. Over the past year or so, I've kind of gone on this green product journey, and there are still a few things that I use that aren't green, but there are some things that I found that I really like that are green, and I'm really excited to share them with you guys today. So last year, I partnered with Grove, and then it sent me down this rabbit hole of searching and researching green cleaning products. So I discovered the EWG website, and you can type in any product that you want to use, and it will tell you like if it's safe, what kind of chemicals are in there, what the problems are with those chemicals, why they're not good for you, that sort of thing. So I wanted to find a brand that I could just trust so that I didn't have to research every single cleaning product that I wanted to buy. And one of the products that came back as an A product or B product like every single time was the 7th generation cleaning products. So if you're trying to switch over to more green cleaning products and you don't want to have to do a bunch of research, I really trust the EWG website, and the 7th generation came back as really clean every single time. So if you're going to the grocery store and you're picking up some products or you're ordering from Amazon, you can always grab those 7th generation products and know that they're pretty safe. So with that said, I started using the 7th generation laundry detergent, and I really like it. I also really like using Castile soap for laundry detergent. So I discovered Castile soap years ago. You've probably seen Castile soap at the grocery store or maybe on the internet or whatever, and you maybe aren't sure how to use it or what to use it for. So I put together a blog post with everything you could possibly use Castile soap for, and it's a lot of things. The only thing really that you cannot use Castile soap for is in the dishwasher. I hand wash all of my dishes with Castile soap. I just mix a little Castile soap with water, and then I use this little cute glass jar, and this goes on the side of my sink, and I use it for our hand soap and for our hand wash dishes. I also will use this as laundry detergent because it smells really good, and they use essential oils to scent it. And I use this to clean our countertops, I use it to clean the dog, I use it to mop, I use it to wash my hands. I use it to as a soft scrub, so if I'm cleaning any porcelain surface, so like the toilet or the bathtub or the sink or countertops, things like that, you can mix it with a little bit of baking soda. And what I found works best is if you sprinkle baking soda on the surface that you want to clean, like your sink or your grout, and then you drizzle just a tiny bit of Castile soap over it, and you can mix in just a little bit of water if you need to. And then you use like one of these scrubber brushes. Let's see. One of these scrubber brushes, and you can really clean well with that. So that's probably one of my favorite recipes for Castile soap. The baking soda Castile soap combo makes a really great soft scrub, so you can use it for so many different things. So Castile soap suds up. It's made from vegetable oils. It has a big brother. This is Sal, and if you need to tackle like a really tough cleaning project, Sal suds is a good one. This is also known to be a really good stain remover. Truth be told, I still use Shout as my stain remover, so you know. Okay, one of my favorite cleaning products. I fell in love with a Beneke, and this stuff. Why did I get this? Okay, I was researching green cleaning products, and I wanted to try some out before I recommended them, and I discovered this. So I ordered some, and I used it to get rid of soap scum on the shower and mineral buildup on the shower, and I could not believe the results. This Beneke will get rid of those like little water spots that you get in the shower. It will clean your sink if your sink is really yucky and dirty. Cleans grout. It will get rid of paint. My sister, we've been painting her house, and we've got paint all over the floor. This got rid of paint. This is my favorite. It's a toss-up between Castile soap and this, but okay, if I had to choose, I don't know, I might choose Castile soap. This is a close second. I love them both so much. So if you haven't tried this, I think it's 12 bucks on Amazon. I'll link it. I love a Beneke. What else do I love? Talked about 7th Gen. I talked about my Castile soap. Those are pretty much my favorite cleaning products. I also discovered these sponges at Trader Joe's. You can get them at Trader Joe's. I'll also link them from Amazon. So watch, I'll do it right now because I don't have a sponge in here. But it looks like this, and then you just put a little bit under water. And then it becomes a sponge. And so I really like these because they're made out of cellulose, so plants, so they're biodegradable, they're better for the environment than a regular sponge, and they're really compact, so you don't have to store all of these sponges all over the place. So these are definitely one of my favorite cleaning products. I also love, anytime I can find really great glass jars to store cleaning products like this or this, I love to take things out of their packaging and put them in pretty little jars. And I had some questions from people asking, how do I label jars? So I'll show you. So I have these wine glass writers, and these are little glass pens, so you can write on glass, like if I was going to put maybe hand soap, and you can just write on them, on the glass, and then it comes off with just soap and water. So these wine glass writers are great. They're made for entertaining, but I found them really useful for organizing too. So if you're doing some spring cleaning and organizing, I have a couple downloads on my blog that I think you'll like. First, I have these really cute printable labels that you can use your Cricut or your scan and cut or whatever you have, your Silhouette, to cut out. You can also just cut them out with scissors too. It's a free printable, and it's just these really cute little farmhouse labels. So if you're like me and you don't like to keep things in the plastic containers that they come in, you can print these out and just use double stick tape to stick them onto storage containers, so that just makes it a little bit more cute. And then I have two of those. So I have the cute little farmhouse ones, and then I have more of like a modern look too for laundry detergent and that sort of thing. So I'll link both of those. I hope that you discovered some new products to try out and love today. And if this is your first time here, I'd love for you to subscribe before you head on to the next video. And don't forget, you can always visit me at boxedavenue.com.